Let me show you how easy it is to operate Hittinguru. This is our standard equipment. You need a display, you need a computer, and you need a 3D camera. Now let me show you some typical situations where you've got Hittinguru placed inside cages both inside and out. Here's the most common situation where we've got Hittinguru placed inside a cage. Now you've got the television, the computer on the TV cart. This is a mobile cart that's very easy to move around. It's very sturdy, and it's a very good piece of equipment for any situation. You've also got the 3D camera and the tripod placed opposite the hitter. If you had a left-handed hitter, the camera would be placed on the opposite side. We've got live BP going on in here. We've had thousands and thousands of swings with the camera inside the cage. It's only been hit once to our knowledge and wasn't damaged. Replacement cameras are $150. This is a typical situation for placement inside of a tunnel. Now let's look at some others. As we've mentioned, you can also operate Hittinguru outside. Now, if you're going to operate this outside, you have to be aware of the placement of the sun. You do not want the sun beating down on the face of the hitter that's aimed towards the camera face. The infrared rays from the sun and the infrared from the camera will mix, and it will cause interference and may lessen your ability to capture. If you got a cloudy day like you see, you don't have to worry about it. But just be aware of the sun when you've got a Hittinguru and the hitter outdoors. You may want to use a tarp overhead to block out the sun. If you got a cage that's more open like this, sometimes you can go ahead and place everything inside of the cage, complete with the mobile cart, computer, camera, and the display screen. It's up to you. It depends on how much room and how far away you've got this from everything. But you could also, as you can see, could place all this outside of the net. You always want to have the camera. You always want to have the camera placed about 5 or 6 feet away, about 3 feet high, aimed at the facing side of the hitter and inside of the net. Here's another shot of a typical setup. An upside down tee placed inside of a cage with no net around. Once you've captured some swings, then you can gather around the players, whether it's one or the whole team, and do your analysis on the swing. There's very little operation. While you're capturing, you can have a hitter step up, take one swing, have an instant replay, analyze the swing with them, then make some adjustments to their swing, and then capture it again, and then get an instant replay again. Or you can take 10, 20, even 50 swings at a time and then go back and analyze them later. So remember, this is a very hands-free operation. The players just step up, select their profile. The software immediately knows whether they're right-handed or left-handed. You place the camera opposite the hitter and swing away.